Hi guys, it's Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com and welcome to my YouTube channel where I am reviewing digital products and softwares. And today I am going to be looking at basically it's a software, it's cloud-based and a training product to help you earn cryptocurrencies without actually investing. So what I want to do is have a look at the sales page, then go over, look at the bonuses and what I've got to offer. If you decide to pick up the product through my link, then we're going to take a look at the members dashboard and what is inside of the product. So you might be thinking, what's the name of the product? Right, it's CryptoHero and it launches tomorrow, the 8th of September, 10 AM EST. So let's have a look at what the sales page is saying for CryptoHero. So here we are on the page for CryptoHero, and basically what it's saying is that you can start to earn or make money from the crypto without actually investing a single cent. So how do you do that? Well, basically creating passive income from crypto sites within a few seconds, and basically be able to earn this money through, which is like a mix between affiliate links and being paid in crypto. So let's have more a little bit look around at what it's saying on the sales page. Now there is a video sales here on the sales page, so you could take a look at that. Any of my through my bonus page you can get to the sales page and take a look at the video. But what it's saying here is that you've got 100 million in free Bitcoin is made by beta testers, auto blast to 1 billion hungry crypto buyers, 100% done for you crypto site. It's designed for beginners. It's virtually unknown brand new software with training included. You can work from home starting today. It takes just 47 seconds to set up and there's a guarantee, so you can get your money back. And there is some people who have already checked it out, like say beta testers, so they leave a few testimonials. And what they're saying is you can get this now for $16.95 and you can use it forever. So let's see, I'm sure that there was a pop-up to actually get a discount now. So if you jump through to this website and you leave the website, you should be able to get the pop-up for the discount, which will make it a reduced payment somewhere around $12.95 or $14.95. So there is a discount on this. And the crypto market is like $1 trillion industry, to be quite honest. So you've got a lot of stuff going on with this, and at the minute the cryptocurrencies is all sort of in a bear market, so they're all lower down. They were at a high, but now they all sort of seem to be less, value. And so if you were to be paid in cryptocurrencies now, in the next 12 months to 2 years, then any cryptocurrency you're earning while the currency is at this low point could be worth quite a bit more in the future. So you could earn doubly on earning from cryptos now as it actually starts to creep up again. So let's see, you've got all these testimonials here of people who have actually tested out the website and what they've done. And so they're saying this is just 3 clicks away. You get in basically and secure your copy, and then the app actually generates you a website where it's filled with your affiliate links to the different crypto platforms. Then you basically switch on the inbuilt traffic, and then obviously it's targeted crypto traffic, and then you start getting that traffic to that website, and people click on the links. Obviously they're already interested. That's how you make the money. So that's it basically in a nutshell. And obviously what I can think of is, that is my biggest thing, is when you create websites, you do need the traffic, and if you haven't got an audience of crypto and you're not in that particular niche, then you do really need to find where these people are hanging out in order to actually get eyes on the website and start having people click through. So we have enough of this sales page now, obviously, and what we do is take a look at the bonuses I've put together for this particular product, and then we can jump over to the inside of the members dashboard and take a little bit of a peek inside and what it's about. So this is my bonus page for CryptoHero, and you've got 4 days and 12 hours to grab my bonuses before the page comes down. Any of these red buttons on my page will take you through to the sales page if you wanted to pick up a copy of CryptoHero. So what's it all about? Like we say, it's you can start on investing on cryptocurrencies using this website platform, and obviously using affiliate links from different platforms, which we can have a look at a little bit later. So you've got a good potential to earn as much as $395 per sale in some of the deep converting funnels. And so let's see. You've got the front end of CryptoHero, which is $27, and there's a downsell for $17. You've got a one-time offer. Number one is unlimited, $147, but there is a downsell, $97, so you can get a cheaper upsell done for you version, which is $147. And again, if you wait to the downsell, you can pick it up and save yourself some money. It's $97. The third upgrade is the high ticket maximizer. It's on at $97, and you can collect that for $67 if you wait for the upgrade, the downsell. And then the fourth one is the traffic booster, and that's on at $67, and there is again a downsell, which is $37. But what I've done is, when we see a little bit later, for the bonuses I've put together is some traffic generation methods. So you probably don't need to pick up OTO4 because that's a traffic booster. Then you've got your reseller license. If it's something that you think that will fit in your niche that you're already doing crypto, then you could resell this under your own and get 100% commissions. So that is the CryptoHero. And let's have a look now at some of my bonuses that I've picked up. Now, actually, there is a demo video on this, and it's very, very easy to go through the trading. It's like 5 minutes and 38 seconds. So I would encourage you to click through on my bonus page and take a look at this video of how easy it is to use this. And you'll be able to see for yourself just by clicking this demo video. Like I say, it's only just over 5 minutes long. So my first bonus that I have is traffic through Facebook. It's called Facebook Traffic Enigma. So you can pick up that training through my link and learn more about how to get more traffic through Facebook. And then my second bonus is 3 ways to get traffic to your gig. So again, you've built your website, you've got your affiliate links from the different crypto platforms. Now you need traffic, and see, here it is, 3 ways to get traffic to your gig. My third bonus is content curation hack. So if you're wanting to find ways to fill your website using some new materials, making posts for your website, content creation hack. And bonus number 4 is get Gemini. Now this is basically everything that you need to know about email marketing, and within the software there is a mailing platform inside of this members area for CryptoHero. So this particular bonus will help you understand more about using email marketing. And have an extra special one, which is a course on YouTube ads, which will, if you want to use paid advertising, will help you to get targeted traffic by putting advertisements on already targeted traffic people who are searching YouTube for how to invest in crypto, you can have a little tiny ad running on YouTube, and people are already searching for these type of videos to watch, and there you go. You'll get traffic and eyeballs on your new CryptoHero website. So that is the extra bonus I've thrown in, and you would still get access to all the vendor bonuses if you decide to pick up CryptoHero through my link. Now that link will be the first link in the description box below this video. So that's the bonuses I have, and this is a Warrior Plus product. Again, you've got 4 days, 12 hours to pick this up through my website before it comes down, and pick up the bonuses as well. And you've got a one-time special on it, on this product in the launch, which then you can use over and over and over again. So here you go, Warrior Plus. You will get a receipt like this. The blue button here will take you through to my bonuses. Okay, so that is my bonus page. Now all we need to do is take a look at CryptoHero behind the scenes, and let's do that now. So here is the CryptoHero behind the scenes. The first page is the home page here. Then you've got your account settings, where you would go in and put your details, your telephone numbers and stuff like that. Now you've got the vendor bonuses in here. So you've got the 1,493 jump start. You've got 0 to 500 a day in 30 days. You've got 486.23 set and forget blogging system, and then you've got 30 days list explosion income. So those are the vendor bonuses, and you would still get all of those bonuses if you pick up the front end of CryptoHero through my link. Now obviously down this side you've got the first thing that you would look at would be the affiliate programs, and through these affiliate programs, as you can see here, you've got Binance, Ledger, CEX, Coin, Mania, Paxful. So you've got all of these platforms here where you can actually join as an affiliate. And as you can see with the CEX.io, there's already an affiliate link there, which is the test sample that has already been put into this review site. So then you've got the crypto market, which will show you what's happening to various different cryptocurrencies. And as you can see, in June, see how it's dropped here, how it was higher and then it started to drip and drop. So quite a lot of these currencies have come down. So normally investors say when anything is dropped down in the market, can't really go minus whatever. So look, it's a good point of buying something when it's low, because the only way back is upwards, because it's dropped so far. So there's a way, if you decide to pick up this and drive traffic to a website and make affiliate sales on these platforms, they're going to pay you in cryptocurrencies. So you open up your crypto wallets, the crypto gets put into the wallets, and then you never know, but like the cryptocurrencies can increase, so you're making double the payback here as crypto starts to jump back up again. So that is inside of the CryptoHero. Like I said, there's also the creating of your websites. We'll just take a look at this. You can create posts, you can view the site, you can create blog content here. There's content spinning, and what content spinning is, it's like preloaded articles that are already here. You can then change the words around, change the sentences around, which then makes that content unique to your particular website. And like I said, with the one of my bonuses is content curation hack. You can actually add your own posts into this website. So any new information and posts that are coming up about crypto, any news that's coming up about crypto, you can actually put your own post in here, because you've got side pages. You've also got preloaded advertisements here as well. So you've got pre-made advertisements where you can like use these advertisements, but you do have to make sure that you've actually signed up for the different affiliate programs before you start making the advertisements live on the site. Otherwise you're not going to get paid, folks. You won't get paid. So you do need to go through and think, right, okay, I'll join this, I'll join this one, I'll join this one, and join as many as you like, and then put these links in your website. So that's how you work the websites. If we just scroll a little bit further down here, you've got the mailing. So you've got your opt-ins creator. So when people jump to your website, they can opt in for information. Then you've got where your lists are created. So you can see there, you would find all your subscribers there. And then there's the campaigns. You can actually send emails from this service as well. So you're not actually having to subscribe to a separate autoresponder to do this, because it's built into the program. And video tutorials. So the last section here is video tutorials. Now, there is only one video tutorial, and it's the video demonstration that is on my bonus page, and it's 5 minutes and 38 seconds long. So I do encourage you to click through my bonus page and take a look at how easy it is to set up and get started with this CryptoHero affiliate website builder, so you can start getting paid in cryptocurrencies. So that's about it for this particular product, and as you can hear, it is hot here again today, and my laptop is in overdrive while I'm trying to create this video. And so what I'm going to do is call it a day. But don't forget, folks, the first link in the description is my affiliate link for CryptoHero. Takes you through to the bonus page. Any of the red buttons on my bonus page will take you through to the sales page for CryptoHero, and it launches tomorrow on September the 8th at 10 AM EST. So that is CryptoHero, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.